For this tutorial, you will need your selected yarn and crochet hook. First, make a knot like this, then start by chaining 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now insert the hook into the first chain of this chain 5 to join. Pull this a little so we can make a puff here. So insert the hook into this space again, yarn over, pull through 5 times. Then going to yarn over and turn your hook so it's facing downward to make this easier to pull through all of your loops on your hook. And then we are going to make 3 chain. Again yarn over, insert the hook into this space, then yarn over, pull through like this 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all, then make chain 3. Repeat this until you get the 7 puffs. Now we are going to finish this round, so insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through all. Then make a slip stitch. Now cut off the yarn, pull through nice and tight. Pick a different color yarn, make a knot first. Then insert the hook into this space, yarn over, pull through all. Then pull up a bit and again insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 5 times. Then pull through all and chain 1. Again insert the hook in same space, yarn over, pull through 5 times. Then pull through all and chain 1. Repeat this one more time in same space. So you have to make 3 puffs in same space, each space having 3 puffs. To finish this circle, insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull through all, and make a slip stitch and cut off the thread and pull nice and tight. For the third round, make a knot first, then insert the hook into the space and join like this and make 2 chain. Then work 2 double crochet in the same space. Make 3 double crochet in each space. Finish this round in the same way as it was finished earlier. Again we will start this fourth round by making a knot first, then insert the hook into the space and pull through all, and pull up a bit like this, and again insert the hook in this space and yarn over and pull through 5 times. Then pull through all and chain 3. Complete this round by making one puff in each space. So again start with a knot and join like this and pull up a bit, and again yarn over, pull through 5 times. Then pull through all and chain 1. We have to make 3 puff in same space, so we have to make 3 puff in each space to complete this round. Again make a knot first and join like this, and make 2 chain, then make 1 double crochet in the same space. In the next space we are working 2 double crochet, and in the rest of the each space we have to work 2 double crochet to complete this round. Again make a knot first and join like this, pull up a bit and insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 5 times, and then make 3 chain. Then work on next space, so we have to make 1 puff in rest of the each space. Again make a knot and join like this, and make 2 chain, then working 4 double crochet in same space. Make 5 double crochet in rest of the each space. Repeat this until you complete this round. Again make a knot and join like this, then pull up, yarn over, insert the hook into this space, yarn over and pull through 5 times. Then make 3 chain and repeat this process until you finish this round. In this last round, again make a knot and join like this. Pull up the yarn, insert the hook into this space, yarn over and pull through 5 times. Then pull through all loop, then make 5 chain. Pull up this 5th chain and insert your hook into this last chain. Yarn over and pull through 5 times. And make a knot like this. Then chain 5. And repeat this process to complete this round. Now our table cover crochet is complete.